how to set up ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 here. Open up setting, and from here you can go your Apple Intelligent, and here you can see the setup ChatGPT. Now sign in with ChatGPT. If you open your control center, you can use ChatGPT without sign in. Then here you can see the ChatGPT option. Open ChatGPT voice, code or chat. For example, I want to open that ChatGPT voice. If you press on your ChatGPT voice, you need to sign in with your Apple account or Google account must, and enter your first name, last name and birthday, and press on continue. Then and set up your school, work or personal task. And here you can see the option is start. Now you can customize your voice.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to
Press on get start. Now, hey, how are you? How are you?
Hey there, how's it going?
So
I'm
this is
here.
it. Thank you. Have a good day.